Today's video is packed with everything you need to know about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and trust me, there's a lot to cover. We finally have what looks like the complete spec sheet, new promo images, and even the official pricing for Europe. Massive shout out to Jasper Ellens, Igor Bdanov, and Hakasushi for their relentless work. Without their leaks, we'd probably still be sitting here waiting for tiny bits of information. Let's start with the star of the show, the camera. DJI has completely outdone themselves this time by introducing a new Hasselblad 4:3 CMOS sensor rated at a jaw-dropping 100 megapixels. Now, realistically, a 4:3 sensor can't physically produce native 100 MP images, so it's either pixel binned or upsampled, but even then, that's incredible for a drone. You'll be able to shoot full-resolution 6K video at 60 frames per second, with HDR enabled, dual native ISO for cleaner low-light performance, and the signature Hasselblad color science that gives you rich, cinematic colors straight out of the camera. Dynamic range has been pushed to around 16 stops, a solid leap from the Mavic 3 Pro's already impressive 12 to 14 stops. This kind of range is something you usually only find in high-end cinema cameras, so seeing it in a drone is a massive win for filmmakers and content creators. But DJI didn't stop at just one incredible camera. The Mavic 4 Pro also comes equipped with a 70mm mid-telephoto lens featuring a big 1/1.3-inch sensor, and a 168mm zoom lens with a 1/1.5-inch sensor. Both secondary cameras can shoot stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, both have bright f/2.8 apertures for better low-light performance, and both support dual native ISO and log profiles. This means you can easily match footage across all cameras during post-production without worrying about weird color shifts. And here's a game changer. The 168mm zoom lens can capture ultra-wide panoramic photos without any stitching needed. You get clean, high-resolution, wide-angle shots directly from the sky. No extra editing work required. Perfect for landscape photographers and commercial real estate shoots. Now let's talk about the gimbal, because this is where DJI truly innovated. They're calling it the Infinity Gimbal, and it allows full 360-degree horizontal rotation and up to 70 degrees of upward tilt. This opens up completely new shooting possibilities, like spinning shots around buildings, or capturing upward-facing shots under bridges or cliffs, stuff that was previously almost impossible with traditional drones. While we haven't seen an electronic ND filter confirmed yet, earlier leaks mentioned some developmental issues. It's still possible it might arrive in a future firmware update or accessory kit. So don't lose hope just yet. Obstacle avoidance has also seen a major upgrade. The Mavic 4 Pro uses 6 fisheye sensors paired with dual processors, allowing it to avoid obstacles even when flying at speeds up to 18 meters per second, even in low-light conditions just using streetlights. And if you're flying in near-total darkness, DJI's forward-facing LiDAR kicks in to detect obstacles and bring the drone to a safe stop automatically. When it comes to transmission, DJI's rolling out their new O4 Plus system. It supports stable, long-distance 10-bit HDR video transmission up to 30 kilometers, and it's optimized to cut down signal drops in busy urban areas. The controller also got a makeover, introducing the DJI RC Pro 2. It features a foldable design, but the joysticks remain attached and just pop into place when you unfold it. It has a gorgeous 7-inch mini LED display that's super bright even under direct sunlight, a built-in microphone, and full support for DJI's wireless mic system. Battery performance is another huge leap forward. DJI is promising up to 51 minutes of flight time, top speeds reaching 90 km per hour, and a maximum flight range of 41 kilometers. That's an endurance level that pushes the Mavic 4 Pro into a whole new category. Perfect for long shoot days, inspections, mapping, or cinematic shoots without worrying about constant battery swaps. Now, let's break down the available bundles. Standard combo includes the 64GB model, 4G module, 1 battery, and the RC2 controller for €2,189. Fly More combo also offers the 64GB model with 4G, but comes with 3 batteries, a 100W fast charger, a battery hub, and a carrying bag for €2,899. Creator Combo is the ultimate package, a 512GB model with 4G, 3 batteries, the RC Pro 2 controller, a 245W ultra-fast charger, a battery hub, and a bag, all priced at €3,599. All in all, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the drone industry. A next-level camera system, smarter flight features, mind-blowing gimbal flexibility, next-gen safety systems, and powerful endurance all packed into one incredible machine. Are you thinking about upgrading to the Mavic 4 Pro? Or is there a feature you're most excited about? Let's talk about it in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.